Hello guys, welcome back to Pharma Drive. So today we have with us Nipa. She will be sharing her experience at Nirma College. So Nipa, please introduce yourself to the audience.
Okay. So my name is Nipa Patel. I am pursuing MPharm in pharmaceutical analysis in Nirma University, and I am here for help you for why you have to choose Nirma and about pharmaceutical analysis.
Okay, that's great. So please let go us through your interview process or the college admission process of Nirma specifically college.
So for admission, the first preference is given to GPET qualified students, and after then for remaining seats are for non-GPET qualified students. So for non-GPET their own entrance exam, and that entrance exams is based on the very basic questions, and the syllabus and the exam pattern is same as GPET. So there it is easy if we have our basics is completely clear, then it is easy to clear that exam. And then after that they release the merit list, and according to merit list you have to choose your interest of area. There are four branches: pharmaceutical analysis, regulatory affairs, pharmaceutics, and pharmacology.
Okay. So like my next question is, why did you opt for pharmaceutical analysis specifically?
Um, So first of all, this is my first choice, pharmaceutical analysis, and I choose this because of my area of interest, and because I like the analytical methods and the to handle analytical instruments and all. So yeah, this is my personal choice. It is my area of interest, so that's why I choose this.
Okay. So like people should choose their field according to interest, not the what crowd says, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. And not only area of interest, this analysis have many scopes. So if you have interest in analysis, then choice is not bad.
Okay.
But mostly people don't like analysis, I guess, because they have some boring subject also. But this is not true. When you study, you realize that it is very easy, and if you have interest, then it is really very easy. So if you have a very even little interest, then choose this. You will have many more knowledge and many more clarification about analysis.
Awesome. Okay. So like next question, what specific subjects are covered in the whole curriculum, like in pharmaceutical analysis course?
uh, Yeah, so mainly the analytical methods are that is one common subject that is for all the branches. But in next semester, you will learn about advanced analytical methods, then instrumental analysis, quality control, quality assurance, validation, method development, and for the herbal analysis, food analysis are also included. If many people have interest in food analysis and herbal analysis also, so this is also included in this herbal cosmetics and herbal drugs, both formulations.
Okay, so these all herbal and these subjects will be coming in last year, means.
Yeah, in first semester, food analysis along with that and basic analytical techniques, and in second semester we cover the herbal analysis. So both,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, so like whole, okay, whole is covered. Okay, so like next question is, in the
yeah.
perspective of pharmaceutical analysis for subject, what should we keep in mind while selecting the project or taking any project for your research work?
So it depends on you that choose that topic that you know about something, and you want to know about in more deep and more detail in that topic. So you can choose that, and there is you have guides you all have different guides or personal guides, teachers that you can discuss them. Okay, what you have to do and what is you can if you can also tell your teachers to your area of interest, so they can also help you that what you have to do. They will give you a right way to learn, and they will help you at all stage, and they will answer all of your queries. So of course you can share your problems and your thinking, if you have difficult, then what topic I have to choose based on what methods, yeah, whatever you have in mind, you can share with your teacher. They will absolutely help you.
That's awesome. Awesome, Nipa. Uh, Now the most valuable question, like how is your experience at Nirma campus?
Yeah. So there is very little experience because of this COVID. I am just only for 2 months for at campus. So it is very little experience, but it is good. The campus is absolutely very nice, and the all labs, classrooms are also very good, and all teachers are also very helpful. And the all the laboratories are the fulfilled with all requirements. Instruments are well worked, and everything is nice. There are many co-curricular activities that also happens, but we are not able to attend that because of this corona. Everything is online. But
Yeah,
if everything is offline state, then it is very nice to attend offline.
yeah, it is another scenario in offline world. In online, we are just attending
Yeah.
from home. Is very not good. We are missing
For
out on
online also,
college.
they have a very nice system actually.
Okay,
So in
okay,
online, we also teachers are very cooperative. You can questions, or you can ask your queries questions anytime to teachers. They will always answer. So it's good point.
okay. So, like last question of the session, Nimpa, that like what advice or the piece of thing would you like to say to the students who want to join Nirma?
So because if your basics is clear, then you will have very helpful to think for further your research. You have interest in research, then it is very necessary to clear your basics to understand the deep. If your basics is clear, then you are able to understand everything in deep and detail, and it would be interested. If you don't know, your basic is not clear, then it might be some difficult, but it is not impossible. So yeah, clear your basic before you start M-Farm. Not in Nirma, but anywhere.
Okay. So, Nipa, thank you so much for sharing your valuable
Yeah,
experience.
thank
Hope
you,
you
thank you.
enjoy the session.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.